Pure Foods going the other way. Pure Foods, wala pa nahanap na player na kumpleto lahat.
Siguro si Kirby kanina, naka-back-to-back siya eh.
Jondan out. And the jumper doesn't go.
It's a foot race.
Fast break, and we know he loves that shot off the glass. Favorite na favorite ni Macmac yung mga ganyan, running and contra-tempo off that window.
Captain Hook, itong si Macmac Cardona eh, no?
So ito, biggest lead, 27-16. It's an 11-point lead for Tokentex, and a foul is called above the 3-point arc.
This is Brandon Cablay playing his first game for Pure Foods. He was traded by San Miguel to Red Bull, no? Pero Red Bull sent him to Pure Foods in exchange for a draft pick.
Lanete takes it under pressure. Wide right ang kanyang 3-point attempt. Tapos ang ating first quarter, no choice but to put it up. As we end our first quarter, Tokentex has established the early dominance as far as controlling the inside area of in the paint dito sa ating laro. At ang ating score at the end of the first quarter, 27-16, Tokentex up 5. This is the 2007-2008 Smart Philippine Cup in your favorite league, the PBA. At first game ng ating PBA on tour, Dumaguete City, Lamberto Macias Sports and Cultural Complex. Charlie Cuna and Barry Pasco bring you the action at the end of the first quarter. 27-16 ang ating score. Tokentex was able to build a double-figure lead to end the first quarter. Tignan natin paano sumagot ang Pure Foods dito sa second quarter. Action underway. Wala ang unang attempt ni James Yap. And the rebound taken. The lead pass. Supposed to be an easy one, but no! What a great defensive stance.
Great athleticism from Brandon Cablay, yung rookie. Si Yusuf Al-Jamal, nakatikim ng spalpal.
Yun na nga, that was a Sunmig Coffee strong block. Atid sa inyo ng Sunmig Coffee, 100% premium instant coffee. Stronger ang taste, richer ang aroma for those who like it black. And Tokentex loses the ball at the end line and they don't get anything on the play. What was supposed to be an easy layup, Barry, nawala, nasupalpal, nawala pa sa kanilang bola. Pure Foods, good way to start at least on the defensive end dito sa second quarter.
Pero alam mo doon sa first quarter natin, 50% ang yung Tokentex, from the field. Pure Foods naman, mababa lang dito, 35% lamang yan.
When they start out the scoring dito sa ating second quarter on the easy layup in the lane, cutting the lead down to just 9, 27-18. Ito ang depensa na naman ng Pure Foods. Has picked up here. Notice that dito sa pag-umpisa ng ating second quarter.
Siguro pinaalalahanan ni Coach Ryan Igoro, we were very soft on our defense in the first quarter.
Ang daming layup ng Tokentex.
Ay, pwedeng gano'n. Ang daming open look, open shot. Ayun na naman, nawala yung bola.
Who will get this ball?
Regardless.
Doesn't matter who gets it na. Tama. Kasi hindi naman nag-change ang possession doon. Tuloy-tuloy ang shot clock. And we can see Manong Derek Pumarin talagang visibly upset doon sa play na yon dahil naubusan ng oras ang kanyang team. The handoff to Cablay. Cablay going right. Sees the opening jumper. Wala yan. An offensive rebound taken by Pingris. Hilahan ng bola. Jump ball ang tinawag. And the small man was able to tie up Mark Pingris on the play.
You like the intensity ng Pure Foods opening the second quarter at sabi ni Manong, tama na yan, pasok natin sa Asitaw Laban.
Oo, okay na siguro yung kaninang iniinda niyang injury. Dahil napanggaan ka rin ni Don Aliado sa first quarter. Sa hip. And on that play, Mark Pingris wins over Felix Pilano. Diba?
Sigurado rin mananalo siya dun eh.
Jonathan Salvador, short jumper in the lane. Ang ganda. Yung pag-iwas na sa defender and he makes that looper in the lane, cutting the lead down to just 7. So 4-0 block to start the second quarter.
Good start for the Giants. Messi palpal na naman.
Depensa na naman ang naging key doon. Yap, almost loses it. Pero he's able to recover at open si Brandon Cablay, but it doesn't go. Sorry, miss para doon.
Sunod na miss na ni Brandon Cablay. Feeling his way through the Pure Food system.
Entry pass here. Washington turns around, drops it off to Asi. 14-foot jumper off the glass. Wala yan. But the putback still doesn't go. May takip na ang rim nitong Tokentex.
Yusuf Al-Jamal yan eh.
Yung Lanete. At hindi ko alam kung madulas talaga yung bola. O ano, because they've been losing it Both
Ay,
teams,
hindi
di
naman
ba?
maganda yung handoff na yun eh. Napaka-dikit eh, no? Kirby Raimundo is back in the ball game, replacing Brandon Camlay, who had a share of good looks. Sa basket,
Yung
Camlay.
pinaka-contribution ni Brandon, yung magandang shot block niya a while ago on the fast break, di ba?
Probably that triggered off yung intensity ni Purefoods.
And a call away from the ball dito sa against Purefoods. It's a fall away from the ball. So James Japp pushed off, and ito babalik ang bola ngayon sa Talk and Text. 27-20. The action had not even started.
If you're the superstar of a team, yung depensa talaga sa'yo matutuon yan. No? You'll encounter a lot of bumps, lumps, and whatever.
Al-Jamal takes the jumper from outside. Wala yan. And that was very early in the shot clock.
Alam mo sa Al-Jamal, parang ayaw mag-settle down muna eh. Barat na barat eh.
And the jumper doesn't go. Offensive rebound na naman ni Pingis. Pero yun na nga, they're losing the ball on this side of the court.
Buti na lang. Sabi, magandang depensa na naman itong Al-Jamal at the time. Mabawi siya.
So they're going the other way. Talk and Text phone calls. He led as much as 11 points at the start of this quarter. Hindi pa sila nakaka-score dito sa second quarter. Capdona. 10-second shot clock, and then he passed all alone. And a good look, a great look by Asi Taulava.
Ang gano'n, si Cardona nagpasa kay Taulava dun eh. Went straight under.
Hindi ka naman makuha ang bola, but ito, naka-recover ang Purefoods. Here's James Japp, he's open from 17. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Powerful offensive rebound. At tawagan ng foul ito si Jay Wash after the offensive rebound ni Kirby Raimundo. So 2 shots para kay Kirby.
Well, actually, kanina natawagan na ng technical etong si Kirby Raimundo. Nilabas, he had time to settle down. Concentrate lang siya on the game this time.
Tama yun.
Hindi siya pa-technical dahil patotrono siya eh.
Yun na nga, hindi na pwede. Hindi na pwede umiit ang ulo.
Incidentally, ito in this game, Purefoods is missing the services of Peter Jun Simon na suspended for 1 game dahil sa 2 flagrant fouls. Nakaraang laro nila.
Laban sa Santa Lucia. Na-thrown out siya doon. Pati si Norman Gonzalez na Santa Lucia, na-thrown out din. Magkaiba yun.
Tama yun. Kay Norman eh. So yung flagrant yun ang automatic suspension eh.
Fakes. Pass zero. Villano fakes again. There's some contact pero wala. Accidental lang yan. Ang jumper mula sa kaliwa. Wala na naman yan. And that's 3 misses by
Baruki.
Al-Jamal. Oh, in this ball game, the drive inside the lane. Tapik palabas ang bola. Foul is called. Foul ba o top out lang dito?
Top out lang. May foul.
Nag-call foul on Asi. So free throws na naman. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. He was just there a while ago. And si Villano. Si Villano matagal-tagal na nasa loob. Jimmy Alapag's been refereeing on the bench for quite some time.
Babalik si
Exactly as if on cue.
On cue, no?
Diba?
Babalik si Jimmy Alapag dahil nga bumabalik na rin itong Purefoods eh. And ito si Kirby Raimundo is making a living sa free throw line.
5 points na lang ang lamang from a high of 11. 29-24 ang score natin. Talk and Text in the driver's seat. Entry pass to Afi Taulava. Kicks it back out. Renren made 3 3-pointers in the first quarter. Ito si Al-Jamal. One more time, pare. Wala. Hindi pumasok yan.
He is 0 out of 5.
0 out of 5 from the field for Al-Jamal. And he hasn't gotten it going.
He's not settling down eh. Sa NCAA, malalapit yung tira niya.
And some substitutions here.
Jonathan Salvador and Asi Taulava got entangled. So, double foul ang itinawag dyan.
The ball will be jumped at center court. Taulava taps it to the wrong guy. James Japp goes up. He doesn't make it, pero offensive rebound and put back. It's Jonathan himself.
Jonathan Salvador nakipag-jump ball. And he was there to follow up a miss by James Japp.
Ano naman natin, Jonathan Salvador, never lacking sa intensity yung batang yan.
Kaya lang, medyo minara siya. Nagkaroon siya ng injury. Time yung kanyang career sa PBA.
Right. The 3-point attempt, in and out para kay Ritualo one more time. No, he brings it in closer, wisely. Pero nawala ang bola sa kanya. Here's Roger Yap going the other way. 1 against 3. But he gets the basket. That's a foul. What a daredevil move.